Maayong adlaw, everyone. Welcome back to Not in Kansas Anymore. It's been a few days since I posted a video. Last week we were mostly working on our lesson plans and projects, so there wasn't a lot to share, and honestly we were just really busy trying to get our work done before we came here to Apo Island. And my partner teacher Rose joined us for the crossing. Yay! So you might recognize the nice pink mosquito net. So we're back on Apo for a few days. We have had some time to meet with our partner teachers as well as work on our projects. Some of the folks had some time to go snorkeling, some people had time to finish working on their projects in other ways. We're here just a really quick trip. We actually head back to Dumaguete tomorrow morning. We did have a Despadida farewell party with our Apo teachers here in Apo. At the Despadida, some of the Apo students performed a dance and a song for us, which was incredibly heartwarming. After the formal part of the Despadida, we had time to play some games with some of the kids and community members, and we were honored by the music of El Apo Latino Tribal Band. Even though this trip to Apo Island was very short, it was packed with a lot of community, and I've just have been extremely blessed by the people of Apo Island and the hospitality and the way that they have welcomed us into their community to not only study their language but their culture and just build relationships. Sa mga Apohanon, Salamat Kaayo, Maanaa ka sa akong kasing-kasing kanunay. Guapa kaayo ka ug imong isla. And the food of the weekend is Apo-style fish. Salamat sa staff at Liberties. I think that's all I have for you today. Magkita ta unya. See you later.